morning, everyone. My name is Peter Campbell. I'm PS Engineering's principal engineer, and it's my privilege to fill in for Mark today, who's just a little busier than normal, as he prepares to walk his daughter down the aisle this weekend. On behalf of Mark and our entire company, I'd first like to thank you once again for the honor of being last year's Associate Member of the Year. As you know, there are few things Mark enjoys more than visiting you personally, and that's because we really value the relationships we have with all of you and recognize we wouldn't be where we are today without your trust, support, and feedback. Meanwhile, we've been very busy behind the scenes and are excited to finally show you what we've been up to. On this stage 20 years ago, we introduced our very first audio panel, the PMA 6000, which started the market for modern audio panels. We've done a fair amount of innovating since then and are excited to introduce its replacement today, the PMA 7000M. This is a mono 6-place audio panel that is a drop-in replacement for the original PMA 6000 mono series, but with the functionality you've come to expect from the PMA 7000 family and then some. We've replaced the manual squelch system with our popular automatic Vox technology in Televox. We've also added our extremely popular Bluetooth feature for telephone and tablet connectivity. For those customers who want a little more and are willing to add some wires, we've also included 2 more unswitched inputs. It's available now for $14.95, and since we envision this as a replacement for existing 6000 installs, we're not including a tray or install kit. Nevertheless, this is still a tremendous upgrade for existing 6000 users and an easy swap for installers. We've also not neglected the stereo series, so we're also releasing the PMA 7000 BT and the PMA 7000H BT today as well. The next product we're introducing is the PMA 8000E. This product has the familiar look and feel of our 8000 family, but represents a fresh approach towards operations in a dual audio panel environment. This is a 3-radio solution with our Televox intercom system and an optional marker beacon receiver. We've put a lot of effort into tailoring the user interface and feature set to meet the unique requirements of corporate aviation. Buttons with multiple functions have been minimized for simplicity. Entertainment options, which don't make sense in a corporate environment, have been removed. Bluetooth is standard, but ships disabled so that the customer can decide whether or not to provide this option, and it can be easily enabled in the field. When enabled, different devices may be paired to each panel so that the pilot and co-pilot can use their own phones independently or share them depending on the intercom configuration. Speaking of the intercom, discussions with professional pilots have led us to completely rethink the various intercom modes. In a departure from the rest of the 8000 family, there are only 2 primary modes, crew and isolate. You no longer cycle through an all mode, which may have added passengers when they weren't expected. Instead, passengers must be added intentionally when desired. This product is available for $76.95 and includes 2 audio panels with install kits. The last product we're introducing today is the PDA 360EX for the experimental market. This features a 4-place stereo intercom with Televox, in addition to a couple of popular features from our PMA 450. A 10-watt USB charger for phones and tablets, and IntelliAudio, which allows the comms to be placed in any of 9 spatially distinct locations in the crew's headsets. If you haven't had a chance to hear this before, please come by our booth this week and give it a try. It also includes Bluetooth, 4 unswitched inputs, 3 switched inputs, 2 differential stereo music inputs, and is available now for $19.95 with install kit. Thank you once again, and if you'd like more information or a demo, please visit our booth this week.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 58th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Dallas, Texas, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
Now certified, Aspen Avionics single-band ADS-B, ATX-100, and ATX-100G transceivers are the next-gen ADS-B solution that provides the features pilots need while keeping flyaway costs low. Check it out now at aspenavionics.com.
Avidyne provides innovative avionics solutions for general aviation aircraft, including the IFD 540 and IFD 440 FMS GPS navcoms with geofill, hybrid touch, and full ADS-B capability.
The KSN 770 is an affordable, WAS-enabled integrated MFD with a flexible hybrid user interface from Bendix King. Get your fingers on the 770's perfect blend of touchscreen and hard buttons. Easily control your GPS navigation, navcom, weather, traffic, and terrain in any condition. For more information, go to bendixking.com.